Good morning students and welcome to EVS class. Today I am going to teach you new topic of lesson number 6, the deserts, human life. So let's start. Human population in the deserts is very sparse. So what is the meaning of sparse? Mean very less. The extreme temperature of the desert makes it difficult for people टू लिव देयर. तो इससे क्या होता है, अगर बेटे वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी पढ़ाया है कि डेजर्ट में टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, बहुत हॉट होती है वहाँ पे, हीट की वजह से वहाँ पे क्या होता है बेटे, लोगों का वहाँ रहना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. देयरफॉर द ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन इज़ वेरी लेस देयर. People in the deserts live a nomadic life. Nomadic, please underline this word. What is the meaning of nomadic? Nomadic mean वो लोग जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव होते रहते हैं अपने खाने की खोज में, पानी की खोज में, या अपने काम काज की खोज में. So in the next line you can read, they move from one place to another in search of food, water and other resources. Human settlement in deserts are primarily near oases. What is oasis? You can see here in the last of this page, a fertile spot in a desert where water is found. एक ऐसी उपजाऊ मिट्टी और एक ऐसा उपजाऊ एरिया जहाँ पर पानी मिलता हो. तो लोग क्या करते हैं, वहाँ जहाँ पे नदी हो, जहाँ पे ओएसिस हो, जहाँ और तालाब मिल जाए, वहाँ पे रहना पसंद करते हैं. Now look at, there are two type of crops. One is called summer and the other is called wheat crop. Summer crops grown in this region are rice, maize, millet, and in winter lentil, barley, beans and wheat. These are crops which are grown in winter. So I hope you understand the whole lesson. Please read this lesson carefully. And now come to the back exercise. Here is the back exercise. First is state whether the following statements are true or false. Look at the first. Deserts cover more than a third of the earth's surface. Is it true or false? False. Because only 1/3 of the area is covered with desert, not more than. Second, the deserts are mainly located on the eastern side of continent. It is also false because the deserts are mainly located on the western side of continents. Number 3, due to extreme weather, very few plants are found in desert. True. Number 4, the hump on a camel's back is used for storing water. This is false because that is used for storing the fats. Now come to E. Human population in the desert is very dense. Dense का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा जनसंख्या हो. That is also false क्योंकि आपने अभी पढ़ा था कि human population in the desert is very sparse, very less. The cold deserts experience warm climate in summer. This is also false because if the desert is cold, how can it experience warm climate? In summer, it experiences cold climate. So now come to the fill in the blanks. You can see here, first is false, second is false, third is true, fourth is false, fifth is false, and sixth is also false. Now come to fill up. Hot deserts have a dash climate throughout the year, dry. In the desert, some plants have long roots to absorb water. Plants that store water in their fleshy stems or leaves are called cacti. A camel can retain water as it does not sweat. Small fertile areas in a desert are called oases. So I hope you all understand this lesson. So please complete your back exercise in your book. Till next day, goodbye. Have a nice day.